Imagine this. You get one chance, just one, to ask the moon a big question. What would you say? Personally, I'd be tempted to ask, what's it like watching us fall in love, create families, and sometimes break each other's hearts? The moon has seen humanity in its most intimate moments, and it must have quite a perspective on our drama below. Does it feel pity for our struggles, or does it just see us as another wild species on this planet? Now, humans have been fascinated by this celestial body for centuries. While we've spun countless questions around its composition and formation, we're often curious about those deeper, personal queries. Imagine the moon smiling down, thinking, "Kids, I've got secrets." So, what secrets does the moon hold? For starters, did you know that the gravitational dance between the Earth and Moon isn't as simple as we once thought? They actually orbit a point in space that sits about 1,000 kilometers above Earth. This means while the moon circles us, it's also in a grander dance with the sun. Such is the complex love story of our planet and its loyal satellite. The moon doesn't just sit there looking pretty either. It plays an essential role in stabilizing our planet's climate. You see, in Earth's early days, an enormous collision with a Mars-sized body created the moon. This relationship helped balance Earth's tilt, giving us those lovely 4 seasons instead of wild swings that could have made life nearly impossible. Now, let's talk about tides. Everyone knows the moon affects the tides, but can you picture what those tidal patterns would look like without it? If the moon weren't around, we'd still have tides, but they'd be way less extreme. Tides that rise and fall a tad less often, like a sleepy old dog taking its time to roll over. Those big tidal movements help power marine life and pretty much affect our planet's mood. The scientific curiosity about the moon hasn't dwindled over the decades, and it's leading us back there. NASA is revving up to send humans back with its Artemis program. How cool would it be to walk in the footsteps of astronauts and discover new lunar mysteries? What if we find water up there? That could be a game changer, not just for exploration but for potential colonies. Imagine harvesting ice from lunar poles, using it for fuel, or simply quenching thirst after a long day of moonwalking. Who knew the moon could potentially have a bar? And speaking of mysteries, there are layers to the moon's crust that scientists still puzzle over. Why is the near side different from the far side? Do you ever think about the giant impact that shaped the moon? There's a lot we still don't know, inspiring ongoing exploration. Guess what? There's even a friendly asteroid named Third Maya that swings by and gives the moon a little nudge now and then, causing tiny moonquakes. Can you imagine what kind of cosmic bolide that must look like? By studying these moonquakes, we're learning about the moon's inner structure and how to protect future explorers from celestial surprises. So, what if we could ask the moon a question? Maybe it's more than just a giant rock. It's a witness to humanity's triumphs and failures, our dreams and fears. It could teach us lessons about survival, resilience, and maybe even our deep longing for connection. The journey to the moon isn't just about exploration, it's about discovery. Discovery of who we are as a species, and what we can achieve when we reach for the stars. Thanks for watching! We hope you enjoyed taking this celestial journey with us. See you next time!
Please, subscribe!